guys, welcome back to the Tech House channel. Today in this video we will be breaking down all the specs of Oppo Reno 5 Pro. So let's get straight into the video. First things first, it has 6.55 inch of high resolution Super AMOLED display. Its display has 1100 nits of peak brightness and it has a support of high refresh rate 90 Hz, which feels smooth while running the heavy task. It has glossy and shining back, which really stands out in the crowd. While holding the phone, it gives premium feel as it has glossy and matte finish at the back. While looking the phone from different angles, its back looks different as it has colorful back. Oppo Reno 5 Pro is powered by Dimensity 1000 Plus. It is 5G processor. This processor is pretty much decent in this price range, but you can't expect the flagship level experience from this phone. The highlight of the phone is camera. It has quad camera setup at the back with 64 megapixel primary camera, 8 megapixel ultra wide camera and two lenses with 2 megapixel each as macro camera and depth sensors. And it has 32 megapixel of single selfie camera in the front. While talking about the software, it comes with ColorOS 11.1 out of the box with Android 11. It is powered by 4350 mAh of battery, which can stand a day for a normal day-to-day users. But no need to worry, it comes with 65 watt of charger out of the box, which can give 70% of power in 15 minutes of charge. These are the specifications of Oppo Reno 5 Pro. If you have enjoyed watching this video, make sure to subscribe us to watch the video related smartphone and gadgets.